Hello again. This is the second video I've made for today. Now, I made the unboxing video earlier and I decided that the phone was quite new and delicate, and I thought that I'd bring you a little video to show you some of the accessories you're going to need when you take this out of the box. Right, so we've got a tempered glass screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector for the back as well, the Anker 18-watt charger, and a protective case. So starting off, now this is the 18-watt one. I already bought this a couple of weeks ago, but other people are saying that you need the 20-watt to do the fast charging. Not sure if that's correct or not, but I'll do some tests and let you know. Now, first up, we've got a camera lens protector. Now, this is a very nice little thing. It's 9H hard, and that's on the other side. Let me just turn that round. There we go. You could read it for yourself. It's a sapphire coated screen protector, and it's 9H hardness on the Mohs scale. Okay, just there. Right, so you apply this to the back. It's double-sided, sort of sticky, and so you can apply that directly over the lenses, and it protects all three lenses at once, and it protects the LiDAR lens as well. There you go. There's one already fitted to that. I don't know if you can see it. It's very, very subtle. You can't really notice it much, but it does protect all of them. And it also means that you can clean all three lenses with just one wipe of the cloth or t-shirt, rather than having to circularly clean each individual lens. I'll just demonstrate that now. There we go. So you can just wipe it across because it's a flat piece of glass now. Much simpler. Next up, for the front, we've got the ceramic shield on the new iPhone, but it's not going to hurt it if you protect it also from scratches with a tempered glass screen protector. Okay, I'm having trouble getting that one open. Flick it across there. Just like Flossie Carter, but without taking it out first. Right, so this is from ESR. Nice company. I've had a lot of products from them in the past. Oleophobic protection, scratch protection, and shatter resistant. Okay. This comes with a little guide for you to clip onto the phone, and it allows it to line up much easier. Obviously the same each way. You've got a little kit here which will have a little cloth with some alcohol, and then a microfiber cloth, and a hopefully sticky thing. Yes, it has. Instructions, if you read Chinese. Pretty simple. Don't be scared of doing this yourself. If you get a bubble, it's not the end of the world. You can get them out. Right, so I'm going to go through and show you how to put this on anyway. Okay, so first up, put that gently. Get the wet wipe and the sticky sticker. The sticker is for the dust. Wipe it down first to make sure you get the dust off of it, because otherwise it will attach to the alcohol prep pad, and then you can have problems. So open this up fully so you get good coverage, and make sure that you don't touch it afterwards, because the grease from your fingertips will stop the screen protector adhering correctly. Now, as you've probably seen before, my desk is smothered in dust because I've got a cat, and the cat likes to roam around all over the place. So make sure you get it nice and clean and dust free. Otherwise you will get little dust particles underneath the screen protector, and it will show up with lots of bubbles. There we go. I'm going to put this piece of plastic underneath just to raise it up slightly to stop any dust getting attracted to the microfiber cloth. Right, I'm going to go over it just one time with the dust removing sticker. So just gently lay it down, peel it off, lay it down and peel it off, and keep going all the way down the phone. Put the guide on, remember not to touch the screen with your fingers, and then get the glass protector. Much simpler than when they first brought these out. They used to be a nightmare to put on. Okay, so going with the earphone hole first, slide the top in and just drop it down, and you should see, yeah, by the microphone hole, it's just starting to take off. Can you see it going down the middle of the phone there? Just leave it alone. You don't need to press it about. It will do it itself. And there's one little bubble. Can you see the bubble there? So I'm just going to pause for a second and get that bubble out. Okay. So I had to lift the screen protector off slightly and lay it back down again because it got an air bubble trapped. But it's all sorted out now. Right, so that's from ESR. I'll leave the links in the description for all of the things that I'm showing you today. I don't make any money from this. They're not affiliate links or anything like that. It's just to help you out if you've got one of these phones. Right, this is also from ESR. Just a coincidence. I happened to buy two things on the same day from the same company. Had no idea I was doing so. This is a leather case. Now, it's supposedly genuine leather. It's got a little welcome card there. Instructions on how to apply and keep the case clean. Okay, don't get it too wet. If you live in a humid environment, just keep an eye on it because it could get a little bit sticky or moldy. They include a little piece of leather there to show you that it is genuine leather. There you go. And that is a piece of leather. And here's the case itself. Now this has got like an Alcantara inside. Very, very nice feeling. It has anodized metal buttons, power button, and it's got a little thing here that says ESR original since 2009. There we go. It's a nice solid case. It feels nice. It's got, as I said, anodized black buttons on it. It's got no ESR logos on it except that small on the side. Definite leather. It has a very nice leather smell, and it should not touch the screen protector or just lift it up or anything, which it doesn't. You got a nice little gold accent border all the way around. There's the camera protector. Again, it's got a little gap all the way around, so it's not disturbing it at all. And it's also got a little raised lip. Okay, so everything looks good and fits well. It's a nice feeling case. It gives it a little bit of grip because the iPhone Pro is a little bit slippery with the stainless steel sides, but the leather gives it a little bit more grip, and it has a nice luxurious feel to it. Nice cutout there for the mute switch. Look at the lovely gold shining through there. They go together very nicely. Now this case comes in white, black, and I believe red. They didn't have the saddle brown colour. If it came in the brown colour, I would have probably got that as well, because I think the brown and gold go together well. See the nice little gold accent all the way around the lip there. and it's even got a raised lip with the screen protector that I put on. So it's got a screen protector there, and it's still got a lip as well, so the screen protector doesn't touch or scratch on the desk. Nice quality case, nice quality screen protector as well, and I'll leave all the links to those in the description for you. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Enjoy your new phone, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.